Welcome to the best picks. The best epoxy wood repair is probably one of the most versatile and effective methods for restoring damaged wooden surfaces, from minor scratches and dents to significant cracks and fractures, making it an invaluable tool for DIY enthusiasts, furniture restorers, and professional woodworkers alike, ensuring your cherished wooden items regain their original beauty and structural integrity with minimal effort and maximum results, offering a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics. Number 5. Weld KwikWood. This innovative two-part epoxy putty stick makes repairing wood easier than ever. It's perfect for all your DIY wood repair needs around the house. Simply knead the two parts together by hand. It sets in just 15 to 25 minutes and fully cures within an hour, ready for your next project. It boasts a lap shear strength of 900 psi. It won't shrink or rot, ensuring a long-lasting, reliable repair. From fixing window hinges and dry rot to filling gouges and cracks, it's the ideal solution for countless wood repair jobs. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's a small crack or a larger repair, you can tackle it with confidence. It's easy to shape, sand, stain, and drill, giving you a professional finish. Weld KwikWood provides superior performance and quality, ensuring your repairs are done right the first time. Get the job done with confidence. What we like. If you need a quick and easy wood repair solution, this is a great option. Its fast setting time is perfect for small repairs where you don't want to wait long. The strong bond ensures a durable repair that will last. If you are looking for a simple DIY solution for minor wood damage, you should consider this product. What people say. This product worked well when other products failed. Simply follow directions and allow to dry. I had a very large hole to fill after years of screws pulling out of the door frame for a heavy iron screen door. I let it set for about 3 hours, and it took the screws in tighter than it was originally. Because this stuff is the same density as wood, it worked great. You get plenty of working time to mush it into any cavities where you want it. After curing, it's probably around the same density as pine. This product has been awesome in my wooden boat. Can be used everywhere, is sandable, stainable and is as strong as existing wood. Number 4. PC Woody Wood Repair Epoxy. Say goodbye to damaged wood. This two-part epoxy paste is your solution for repairing rot and missing sections, both indoors and out. It stands strong against dry rot, UV rays, and even fresh and salt water. It's the perfect solution for lasting repairs. Use it in various climates. It can be applied between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit and will perform in temperatures from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Its high tack minimizes dripping and sagging, making application smooth and easy. You'll achieve a professional finish with minimal effort. Remember to mix equal parts of A and B on a flat surface using a stiff putty knife. Do not mix with gloves. PC Woody Wood Repair Epoxy Paste is your reliable solution for restoring wood to its former glory. Get yours today. What we like. This product is perfect for larger projects due to its large quantity. Its high temperature resistance makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The high tack minimizes drips and sags, ensuring a clean and professional finish. If you are working on a large-scale project, you should consider this one. What people say. PC Products Wood Repair Epoxy Paste and Wood Hardener Kit is a wood rot remedy to use in order to avoid a major repair job. It is an easy enough product for a DIYer to use and work with. No real special tools are needed. The hardened epoxy is easy to sand, by hand and using regular sandpaper. The epoxy doesn't sag very much and has a long enough working time, even in 85 degrees sunny weather, when using it in small mixed batches. Both products, the petrifier and the epoxy are very good. Sands well, and I then painted. No, it's not a perfect job but you can't tell the panel was damaged unless you know where to look. Number 3. 3M Bondo Wood Filler WFQTS. This two-part formula is your solution for lasting wood repairs. It creates a strong, permanent bond that's easy to work with. Say goodbye to damaged wood. It's perfect for fixing chips, cracks, and rot, both indoors and out. It adheres permanently to most wood surfaces, providing a long-lasting, reliable repair. Unlike other fillers, it won't shrink over time, ensuring a smooth, even finish that lasts. It sands easily after just 15 minutes, saving you valuable time on your project. Get a smooth surface ready for paint or stain. It's ready for your final finish. It accepts paint, stain, and is water-resistant for long-lasting protection. For best results, use it with rubber gloves, a Bondo spreader, and 3M sanding sponges or sheets. What we like. For a smooth, paintable finish, this is the best choice. It sands easily, allowing for a seamless blend with the surrounding wood. Its water resistance makes it ideal for exterior applications. If you need a product that can be easily finished, you should consider this. What people say. Adhered exceptionally well. I have no problem whatsoever. The results are fantastic. Sticks to the surface really well and feathers out to zero edge. Dries in 15 minutes as it states. Great for restoring damaged edges too. Number 2. Abatron Wood Restoration Kit. Say goodbye to damaged wood. This kit permanently hardens, regenerates, and waterproofs wood, making it perfect for restoring historical pieces or repairing furniture. It's incredibly simple to use. You'll have 30 to 45 minutes of working time after mixing, and the wood hardens within hours. It's that easy. This product is safe for you and the environment. It's virtually VOC-free, low odor, and contains no water or solvents. It creates strong, lasting repairs that won't shrink or crack. It bonds to existing damage and protects against water, pests, and UV rays. Abatron specializes in high-quality, easy-to-use restoration products. We're committed to providing safe, solvent-free solutions for professional results. What we like. If you are environmentally conscious, this is a great option. Its low VOC formula is safe for you and the environment. It creates a durable, shrink-free repair that mimics the original wood. If you are looking for a sustainable and high-quality repair, you should consider this. What people say. It really was as easy. Note, it is important to read the information and instructions before using this, as the videos showed. Yesterday my husband smoothly and successfully made the vital repairs to an area of our house without any stress. In the spring we will purchase a larger kit and make similar repairs to our barn. If you need to replace rotted or damaged wood quickly with something which will last, is both paintable and stainable and will withstand all weather conditions, this is the product to purchase. Rotted wood is now rock hard. I have it all painted now and ready to go back up. I built houses for 50 years and am very handy, and this was easy for me. When project completed it dried rock solid, so happy. Number 1. System 3 SculpWood Putty. This amazing epoxy filler is perfect for repairing damaged wood. It's easy to use and provides a strong, lasting repair. Say goodbye to unsightly damage. It seamlessly fills gaps and cracks in wood, restoring its beauty. The resin and hardener are pre-measured for simple hand mixing. No special tools are needed for this convenient application. It cures strong and durable, without shrinking or becoming brittle over time. It's a long-lasting solution for your wood repair needs. It's easily shaped and tooled while wet, and once cured, it can be sanded, carved, or machined to a perfect finish. It's great for window sills, door frames, railings, furniture, anywhere you need a strong, reliable wood repair. What we like. This product offers a convenient 1-to-1 mixing ratio, making it easy to use. It won't shrink or become brittle after curing, ensuring a lasting repair. It's easy to shape and tool, allowing for precise repairs. If you value ease of use and a high-quality finish, you should consider this. What people say. It is simple to use, although having sculpting skills makes it easier. We have used it to replace missing corners and architectural features, fill big gouges where crowbars were used to open wood windows, and restore areas of rot. It becomes virtually invisible and is remarkably strong. It is doing well in areas that are functional and not just decorative. It's easy to mix. It has stuck to everything I've used it on. I used it to fill deep holes on a doorway where hinges used to be and it worked well. I like that it isn't a liquid and it isn't grainy. It also doesn't really have much of a smell. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.